We is back on the camera, son. Back in business, because this is a special video. This is a great video, because today's video is brought to you by JDI, Jordan Distributors in this mother. That's what the I stand for. In this black bag, I have my JDI push to start power kit up in the middle. So like I stated, today's video shall be a great one. Today's Today's video is brought to you by Jordan Distributors Inc. If you follow the homie Mark from Hunter Street Garage, Dale, aka Driven Films Photography, then you will know what this is. This right here is the push to start kit. All my cool Honda homies have been uploading onto their car. Has been installing on their car. And hey, the GOAT has to join eventually, bro. The GOAT has to join. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, cause I'm the GOAT. You know what I mean? You gotta speak highly of yourself, cause if you don't, then what are you doing? Speak highly of yourself. You know what I mean? I'm gonna teach y'all some mantras and some positive vibrational energy. You know what I mean? Then you can look like me. Nah, you don't want this look, bro. This look gets no honey dips. So what we have in this little black bag? What we have is the JDI unit push start. Open this bad girl up and we are prompted with everything we need to do this installation. So here we have the push start button that I will not be using because I opted for the red one, but they gave me this one too. So if you can see in the back, I got the push start, the antenna on the back, the wiring that goes to this right here. Actually, let me show you. This right here is the module box. This is where you plug in everything you see. This is complete plug and play kit. Let me add that. This is complete plug and play. You're not splicing and dicing nothing. This is complete plug and play push start button for your EG, your Integra. And of course, I'll have a link down below in case you want to know if this fits your application, which it might, you never know. And this right here is the key. Mark was saying something like this is an RFI, so I have no idea what Mark was saying. I think this is an RFI kit. I don't know what RFI means. All I know is it's really fucking ignorant, cause it's nice. You see those blue chips? That's also a key. That's how you're gonna start your car. It's crazy. I can't wait to show y'all this. If y'all haven't seen this already, this is gonna blow your mind. This is about to blow your mind. Lava. And yes, way better than what you think she's doing. Oh, I'm gonna get demonetized. And this right here is the additional harness that replaces your stock ignition switch. So this right here replaces your entire ignition switch. And this is the red button that we're going to be using. Now, I think I'm gonna do my install different. I think I'm gonna keep my ignition on the car as well and then mount my push start somewhere else because I want to be able to keep my steering. I want to be able to lock my steering wheel. When you remove your whole entire ignition, you lose that feature, and I want to keep that feature. So I'm going to keep my ignition cylinder there. I'm just going to remove the ignition solenoid itself, not the key ignition, but the ignition wire solenoid itself. I'll show you what I'm talking about because I know I'm confusing. Y'all know I don't do well at explaining things. Y'all know this. Okay, so I already took the liberty of when I did my home developments break booster delete, I had to remove a lot of things, and one of those things that I removed, well, let's not get into that video in case you're new to the channel. A couple videos ago, I had a mental breakdown on camera, but let's not revisit the past. But here are the two plugs that go to your ignition switch. This right here obviously powers the car, give ignition to the ECU and all that stuff. So when you turn that on, you got accessories, and then you do, you know how a car works. All right, the location for these two plugs is one goes to the fuse box right here. Let's see if it goes there and right there. This kit right here replaces both of that. So you no longer need this anymore, and no one can actually steal your car because the white switch is gone. So yeah, this kit right here will prevent hot boys from hot wiring your car, getting this start and all that stuff, and all the foolishness that comes with stealing people's cars. And if you steal people's cars, you are 100% a piece of shit.
I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.
So in order to remove this harness from the ignition switch itself, knock that down. You have two Phillips screwdrivers right there. Once you unplug that, this whole thing comes off. And you living your life like you're golden. Living your life like you're golden. Also, make sure you disconnect your battery, okay? Just make sure you disconnect your battery. Cool. We can start removing this. It's nice having a camera again. Okay, so the old harness is out. And my feet are in. Here is the original key, well, the push start button that we are not going to be using. That would go right here. Oh, damn, I just hit my thing. That would go right here along with the little rubber piece that I have right here. So this will act like a seal there to seal it. Well, this right here goes around this like so, but we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna put my push start button here. So what I'm gonna have to do is a little bit more modifications. So I wanted the red button and it lights up too, which is pretty cool. Like, oh man, I put the red button on my, oh yeah, I don't need this anymore. So I'll probably put my button, I might just put my button here. Yeah, I'm gonna just pop that out and, oh yeah, that'll fit right in there. Ta-da! Well, it's kind of in there. The way I got it is I just drilled out the hole for the back, and now, I mean, I guess it works. I guess. I mean, it goes in there. But, I mean, it doesn't lock in there or anything. I have to figure that out, but all in all, it's in there. So, sweet! Next up on the list to do is obviously our push start stuff. So I got where I'm gonna do. I'm gonna still keep my key because obviously I have to have my regular key to get inside the car and everything and open the trunk and all that fun jazz. Speaking of the trunk, you see this cage? This, oh, not cage, but the roll bar? Yeah, I'm getting that powder coated because my seat did this the other day. Where is it? Oh, I don't see it. Right there. Me pushing my seat all the way back took paint off the cage. Garbage. Just garbage. So after my track day, this upcoming May 11th, I'm gonna take this thing out and get it powder coated. So no more issues dealing with the roll bar. X-bar, however, is nice. But whatever, let's get back to the install of the JDI kit. This plugs in fairly simple. The big plug goes to the big one up here. Like so, just match colors with colors. Brown and brown. It's brown on brown. Right there, that's connected. Next up, we have the one that goes to the fuse box. This goes right here on the fuse box. Can you see that? Can you see it right there? On the fuse box. Oh, upside down. All right. That's plugged in there. Next up, we got the ground. We're gonna ground this right here with all our other grounds, and they give you a lengthy ground cable, which is pretty cool. I hate how I have all these wires underneath right here. This goes to my lighting right here. One there, and there's like two, one right there, and there's one over there. Yeah, I wanna reroute this, man, because this is like tacky to me. I don't like it at all, but it gets the job done. But I'm gonna have to redo that because I don't like the way that looks. I'm gonna have to redo my whole entire lighting system in this car and have all the power and ground stuff on that side because I have too much stuff going on this side. Next on the install list is this green wire. Now this green wire goes to your brake wire. Honestly, I'm not a fan of you having to press my brakes in to turn my car on. I like to be able to just turn my car on, like if I'm outside the car working on it, I'm like, yo, start the car, you know, I could just go in here. But in order for this to work, you have to do it, which I hope in the future they can bypass this and I can just turn my shit on without putting my foot on the brake. But oh no, it's just a little process, you know what I mean? It's how actual push to start cars work. You have to press on the brake in order to turn the car on. So, you know, I'm just being, you know, lazy. Zosh. The actual cool part about this is this right here goes into the green wire on your brake line, your brake switch pedal. I'll show you if I can get the camera under there. And it just clamps on like that, and then you insert this piece right here into that right there. So this right here basically just plugs into it like that, and then this crimps onto your green wire on your brake switch. So okay, so you guys see that dark green wire right there? Hold on, focus. 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 All right, it probably won't focus. But there's focus, mother. God, why this sucks? Focus! Okay, there's a green wire right here. It's the darkest one on your brake switch. That's what you want to tap into. It sucks that I can't actually. Hold on, maybe if I put the light there. All right, you kind of can see it. Kind of, I don't know. But it's a dark green wire. It's on your brake pedal switch. Make sure you tap into that one. Why? Next up, we have the antenna. I'm gonna mount mine where a lot of people mount them, which is the back of this dash panel, the undercover of the dash panel. And that's also where my battery, my battery, but my light switch is located. I'm gonna do it like right here with some tape. I would glue it. Actually, I might just glue it, but then I can never get rid of it. I ain't got no tape. I mean, I got that, but what to do? I mean, I guess it'll work. I'm not gonna lie, I did try to use glue. And this glue right here, bro, that's some strong glue, son. But nothing beats electrical tape. All right, so for my box, I think I'm just gonna keep it mounted here. I mean, I'll figure it out. But up there somewhere, tuck all these wires together and push it off to the side, and then I should be golden. I think it's done though. Everything is done. I just have to put everything up and put the battery in and then do all that. But I'm gonna just do all my wiring, tucking, and all that stuff, and I should be good. All right, bottom part of the dash is now installed. Everything's intact. Now, let's see if this works. Uh-oh. Hold on, bruh. Put on the brake. Yeah, it works. Swag. So, I'm gonna be honest with you guys real quick. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my hair. But other than that, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just remove my lock cylinder because I just think it's gonna be kind of annoying to like always have to put my key in there and then like, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I keep it in there. I don't know. All right, so let me show you how this works. So, as of right now, hit the button, nothing. Brake, nothing. I lock the system with my key. Now, like I showed you before, you have this, you have, where's the other ones? You have these, and then you have like a credit card looking one, which I think it's in my wallet, which I don't have right now. But to unlock the system, wherever you put your antenna, you just want to put your hand like that. Once you hear the beep, you get that there for accessories, radio will come on. Second one, fuels the fuel pump. Now to start the car, put your foot on the brake and then hold it. Okay, I think you gotta do that. And then you put it back on it, yeah. So it's like that, and then it doesn't do anything. And then when you turn the car off, press the brake, off button. So it's pretty simple, and then to lock the system, you wanna just get your key card, and that's it. No one can start your car, nothing like that. Coolest thing on the market right now, bro. This is by far the coolest shit on the market. So I just went ahead and removed the steering lock, the ignition cylinder thing. It's easy. It's only, on my Integra, I only had these two bolts. It might be different on your car, but like these two holds this bracket in there. And then my ignition goes there and all that stuff. So I'm gonna keep that just in case if anything happens to that, then I know I have my backup with my key and everything in case I wanna go back to the OEM route. But so far, bro, this is the move. This is the move. So I'm gonna put the car back together and head over to Randy's job to get this thing aligned because I just messed with the suspension. My toe is off, dude. My toe, this car might drive like shit, but that's it. Get the car aligned, and I get to give you guys formal reviews on the brake booster that I just installed, the subframe brace along with the sway bar that I just installed. But all in all, I want to give a huge thank you to JDI for, you know, giving me this kit to test out on the car, and you know, so far I'm loving it. It's a sweet, unique kit. It's all plug and play. If you guys would like to have your very own kit, link down below. I do not have a discount code, but that's okay. It's affordable enough. It's $100 and like, what, $12, $13 for a full push to start kit for your car? Come on, son. Come on, B. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this, leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a f. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.